Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily add a new project inside of ClickUp. First things first, we have to log in into our ClickUp account and focus on the left sidebar that we have in here. In theme space, which is our landing zone, let's say, in our workspace, we want to click on this plus button. Let me make it more clearer. There is a plus button and you want to click on here, on plus. And we have a couple of options here to pick from: list, doc, folder, and many more. Let's go with doc. Delete. Let's go with folder. Folder name will be, for example, project number 2. It's a list, or you can add list name, share folder with people or task status, and just create folder. So you see that we have projects and project number 2. It is so far just with the list of tasks. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can add a sub projects into it. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.